It was a pretty cool event at the recent Creator Collective hosted by YouTube, and amid all these connections and sessions, everyone received this really cool LED neon light, which would definitely form a part of the setup. It looks pretty cool. Some of the creators have already opened it, and it looked really cool on the pictures and the video that was shared. So I also wanted to open it up and see what was there in the box. Looks pretty cool. YouTube branding, as you can see, it says LED neon sign. And if you look on here, CESC ROH certified, recycling information. It's got EU plug, so it's not the UK plug, but that's okay. Model number is PL Neon 12, DC 12 volts, consumption is 6 watts, and it's for indoor use. And it also says it's made in China. So let's open it up and see what we have in there. All right, ready, steady, go. Ta-da! Creator Collective. Got these stickers. Really nice. Look at that. Nice and shiny. 2 of these. Probably going to stick it onto the laptop. So let's keep it on here. Looks pretty cool. And what we have here is the LED neon light. I think this is the second one that has arrived. So look at that. YouTube logo. And how's that different? Oh, it's going to be magnetic. It's going to attach, and that's how it becomes the LED light. All right, so let's get rid of that. And look at that. The YouTube play sign. Just waiting for the play button someday, but this should do for now. All right, so what else you have? You have, oops, sorry, jumping. So we have some specifications. Power button is located at the stand. Hold it to adjust the brightness. And what's mentioned in here? Oh, nothing. Oopsie. So the YouTube logo, and then you have the plug. It's not EU plug, it's the UK plug. So that was confusing on the box, but nonetheless, you've got the UK plug, which is great. And then finally, it's the base over here. Oh boy, it's quite stuck inside. So let's wiggle. There you are. And that's the base sticker at the back. And then let's put it here. Let's get rid of the box. And here's the YouTube logo. Goes in so, I think. No, wait a second. So there are cutouts on the sides. If you see here, there are cutouts. So I'm going to simply just pop it in through there. If you can see there. Simple, popping in. That's it. That's gone in. As you can see, that's the YouTube cutout. That's all gone in. And there should be a DC socket in here, or the port where you put in this guy, 12 volt input. All right. And here's the charger, of course, which is a DC 12 volt ITE power supply, DC 12 volts, 1 amps max. And here's the neon light. Ah, looks really cool. So I wanted to just put it on and just turn it on and see how it looks. And I've hooked the adapter up to the power supply. So let's simply connect it to the back. That's it. And it should be turned on now, at least powered on. So I need to just press in here and look at that. That looks amazing. That's pretty cool. And just touch. It's just like a simple touch of a button. And that's pretty cool. And if you just press and hold, that becomes dim. So that's quite dim. That's dim. That's really dim. And just press and hold again. And that should start to get brighter. And it's gone really bright. As you can see, that the background gets darker because obviously I'm filming this. And when I just press and hold again, the background comes back because it's getting dimmer. So, wow, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, right. Really, really excited by this specific product that has been gifted. This is the second, and it's going to basically be on either sides, and that should be pretty cool. I'm going to probably have to find a place for both of them, maybe together, maybe on this table, on either sides, flashing the red from the 2 sides. Wow, I can't say much. This is looking really good. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or queries, let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.